Hi everyone, we're in the kitchen today with Ginger and she's going to show us how to make her amazing stuffed clams, also known as Stuffies.
Hi everyone. So these are Pismo beach clams. I've saved the shells and used them as containers. We are going to be using 4 Pismo beach clams that have been cleaned and chopped.
If you'd like to see how we caught these clams, please click on the link in the description. And in the description, I also have a link that shows how to clean these clams.
The other ingredients are bacon, onion, red bell pepper, parsley from the garden, and some panko that will be put on top for some crunch.
Okay, what's the next step, Ginger?
Okay, so now I am going to be chopping the vegetables up and the bacon.
All right, what's next?
Okay, then we are gonna core and chop the red bell pepper. Okay, next is the bacon we're gonna chop. And lastly, this is our parsley that was just picked from the garden.
All right, now that we have all the ingredients prepped, what's the next step, Ginger?
We're gonna work on cooking our filling. On medium-high heat, we're adding in our bacon. Okay, the bacon has rendered some of its fat, and we are now going to add some of the chopped onions and the chopped bell peppers, red bell peppers. And these will get sauteed until they get tender. Okay, so now the vegetables have gotten tender, and I'm going to turn off the heat. And then we'll be adding in the clams. I turn off the heat to keep the clams tender so they don't get tough and rubbery. And then I am adding in the parsley. Pretty colors. From here, the clams have just about cooked through. They're still tender, and that was all just from the heat of the pan. The next step is to fill the clam shells. Here's one.
Oh, those look really good. Are they ready to be broiled?
Not quite. We're going to add some melted butter into our panko and mix it up and use it as a topping so we can get some crunch and some color on them. Okay.
These look ready to go. What's next, Ginger?
We're going to pop them in the broiler to get some golden color on the panko. We're going to keep a close eye on this. It doesn't take long. Okay, these are done.
Oh, wow, look at that. Beautiful.